Wait, where are we going? Wait, I'm following Ryan somewhere.
Alright, I'm going,
As soon as you respond.
No, that's a bad one. Fuck. Right here. Oh, the piggy bank's not there this time. Fuck, I don't know. Let's go here.
Got a bank here we need to drop on.
Here?
I'll take it.
Oh, actually, there's...
Hey, there's a chopper right here.
Are we going to the hospital or not?
Yeah. Chopper. Make sure you redeploy the parachute before you hit the floor, though.
Yo, oh my god, I almost did it.
Oh, bogey! Smoke the door. Let's get in the chopper and get the fuck out of here. Oh, give me those plates. Give me some plates.
We in!
Give me some plates, goddamn.
Get out of here! Woo!
I don't have any armor. Oh, there's vehicles right here.
I'm turning.
Get me low. We can snipe them.
Where? I don't see him. Oh, I see him there.
Oh, I see him. I'm turning.
Try to get in front of him so we get a view at the driver's seat. Oh, I got a sticky nade. Get me low. Yeah. He's scared. He's turning. See him turn. Oh, he got out.
We're gonna go for him. Yeah! We're gonna kill him.
Get out of here. He's dead.
Oh, we got him.
There's another car. Another vehicle right there. Just try to snipe him. You got a grenade for him?
I don't have anything.
Hey, the car's smoking, dude. It's gonna blow up soon.
Just lay into it.
It's okay. We'll chase him. We're just chasing him down. Dude, you can fly, dude. Oh, I am.
Oh, I got shot. I'm shot. I'm down.
Okay, get him. Pop smoke.
Oh, we're getting bombs.